आउटडोर advertising and regulations billaचेर जे सिलेक्ट कमिटीक गेल्ले लास्ट असेंब्लीन वी हॅव टू कम विथ अ प्रॉपर डिटेल डिस्कशन आनी ते बिल अमेंडमेंटाक कितें जाय ते घेवन करपाक लास्ट मीटिंग वॉज हेल्ड इन एप्रील एंड द मेंबर्स वर गिवन अ मंथ्स टाइम to share their inputs so that we are able to compile the bill. In today's meeting, we have had inputs through mail from Mr. Vijay Sardesai. Prasad Bab Kalush also has come with his inputs and submitted. Nilesh has also now today given his inputs, and I have been sharing my inputs from the day one. So we have asked Deepak Bandekar, the Director of Information Publicity, to ensure that he is able to sit and find further progress to this. कित्याक आता फुडें असेंब्ली जुलय ऑगस्टान केन्ना असेंब्ली येवंक शकता जाल्यार तेन्ना दीस बिल हॅज टू कम बॅक आनी विदीन द परव्यू वी हॅव टू सबमीट इन अ टायम फ्रेम. ताच्या खातीर नेक्स्ट सोमार पर्यंत मिटींग करच्या पयलीं वी हॅव आस्क्ड हिम टू कंपायल दीस, पूट द व्यूज टुगेदर एंड गिव अ प्रेजेंटेशन अलॉंग विथ द सेक्रेटरी लॉ वॉज नॉट डे फॉर टुडेज मिटींग बिकॉज म्हाका दिसता ताका ही कन्वेड दॅट इज नॉट वेल. पूण सेक्रेटरी लॉ एंड डिरेक्टर इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिसिटी हॅज बीन आस्क्ड to compile everything and along with law department present to us in the next thing what are the do's, what are the don'ts, how it is and what are the things that we have asked for. The shorty the bill asa has to put regulations in place at the same time make it on the ease of doing business.